In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make $45,000 from a brand new plushy character. I'm literally going to be showing you everything. This plushy character was introduced a few months ago, making $45,000. The reason I make these videos is because I started off as a random 18-year-old kid. I didn't come from a wealthy family. I wasn't an influencer. I started with nothing to my name. I didn't have any connections. I didn't have any mentors. I didn't have people to even follow in the e-commerce space back in 2018 because there was just no one providing free information online. What I'm trying to say is I was just a random ass kid and I was able to figure it out. So if you guys want to work with me, I guarantee that you'll make at least $25,000. Plus I'll set up the whole dropshipping business for you and I'll teach you along the way. If you guys are interested, you could DM me, send me an email. If not, it's fine, I don't care. This is the new organic marketing strategy that led to selling $45,000 worth of Garfield plushies. So there has been a saturated market of people selling $1 million worth of plushies all over social media. Here's an account that managed to get 136,000 followers, plus millions of views just in a few months. And here are the strategies they used. 1. Lean into the unique characteristics of your chosen plushie. In this case, it was the relatable, depressing scenarios in life. Showing relatable concepts to a broad range of people. Putting together montages of all these depressing scenarios. And of course, referencing seasonal events such as end of summer break, Valentine's Day, Christmas. Furthermore, they created a metaverse, introducing new and existing viral plushies into depressed Garfield's universe. The original plushie trend started with Pooh, getting 200 million plus in views and generating millions of dollars in revenue across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. It went viral, everyone knew about it, and by introducing Pooh to Garfield's universe, it allowed them to target Pooh's pre-established audience. And since Pooh had hundreds of millions of views, people were already aware of plushies. They were already aware of that depressing meme and aware of this type of humor. They were already aware of this niche, this product. They were able to siphon all that existing brand awareness into the Garfield universe. This was an amazing case study on how they were able to bring a new character into a saturated plushie market, use relatable content marketing, and build a whole new universe around depressed Garfield, and in the process, making $45,000 in a few months. Just think about how you can integrate relatable content into your own brand and build your own metaverse.